animation, the quality of the drone is too good. I love this drone. The quality is totally cool. Here is the camera of the drone. One is here and the other one is here, and it is totally, I think, adjustable. Let's see. Yeah, it's adjustable. So hey guys, welcome back to AceTech Global, and after a long time we are here again with new gadgets that they are looking so cool. These are drones, and not just some normal drones. Both are having some unique look. The quality of the camera is good, but the price range goes too in budget, so you can afford easily and buy drone all over the world. So this one, we have two models in unique drones. This one is mini drone, which have so many features like 4K HD camera. This is not 4K, but yes, the quality is good. Have 38 LED lights, right? Have 3-speed control, that's good. Mobile phone control is there, optical flexible view and a remote control. Okay, that's too good. You can control your drone camera with your remote control, and there is optical flow point also, means you can just adjust the drone at same pace. So we're going to unbox both the drones, but we are going with the slow pace and first drone at a time. So the packaging is there and the quality of the packaging is also good. Let's open the drone, unbox the drone. So here is the packaging, like an original DJI drone, which cost you nearly 50-60,000 starting, that I'm saying. But these drones are, guys, too in budget. Yes, you heard right, budget friendly drones. And you are looking straight to the drone, so you must be thinking, where is the drone map? Before getting to that, I am going to show you the accessories we are going to offer. So as in part of the accessories, you are getting so many things, like a screwdriver to repair your drone. Okay, puncturing types to, like, if something happens you can just replace it with the another charger to charge the battery of a drone, and some extra utensil also just to take care of your drone also. So everything is got covered up for you, so in case you lost anything or anything got damaged, you can get it replaced easily. So here is it. So before questioning or commenting down on my comment section like, bhai kahan hai drone, so here is your drone. If you open this, here will be drone. Like, seriously man, this is the first ever drone that comes in built-in remote control, so you can easily carry your remote control and carry your drone with it without thinking, bhai drone ko you have to take care of your drone also. So just carry in your remote and you are good to go. So let's open this drone and see, man, the animation, the quality of the drone is too good. I love this drone. The quality is totally cool. Here is the camera of the drone. One is here and the other one is here, and it is totally, I think, adjustable. Let's see. Yeah, it's adjustable also. So it's just the camera, I think it's manually, or you can control with your application also. So it is the single camera and here's the other camera. Here is your drone. Let's see the control of your remote camera. Here you can just move your up, down, and here to adjust the speed, and left and right is from here. If you don't have the don't know how to use the joystick, you can go for manually. Here it will be go manually, and here lift up, lift down, everything is there. Okay, so totally cool drone. I love it, man. Here you can just adjust place the cells here, that I do love it. Okay, and here are extra sections just in case if you want to add the batteries. Okay, I love it, man. So if you come to the drone, let's just fly this outside and see how this baby looks good. Let's see the quality of the camera we want to see. So we are not we are like, there are two drones, so I'm just connecting it with the camera and see the quality of the camera. Just don't make your hopes so high, as the price range is pretty much in budget, but as the price range goes, it is totally packed with so many features and the quality is seriously heavy, guys. So let's just switch it off and come to this drone. Okay, so here this model is XT01, the totally killer look drone that is like, looks like an ant. Seriously, it looks like an ant with a big camera, man. So the lenses are adjustable up and down. Okay, here are some warnings and everything. Branding here to HD 4K 2.4 hertz. You can connect your Wi-Fi with you can connect your smartphone with your drone. So both the drones come with this aerial view, everything is there. GPS locking is there. So if you comes to the features, it is packed with optical flow, and adjustable lens, up and down, aerial view camera, because the look is totally cool. When I unbox it, you can see, man, so much cool. Okay, headless mode, so there won't be any head. It's totally looking in an ant with a big camera, and a gesture control and a controlling application. So many features it is packed with. Okay, so let's just unbox the drone, and I'm super excited, bhai, seriously super excited to show you guys these drone. Both the drones I love it, but this is the favorite one. This is the second favorite of mine, because the look is totally unimaginable. You can see the look, yeah, totally cool. Here is the big camera, and if you want to adjust up and down is there. So if you like, just place the battery here, is the battery here. The battery backup for both these are like, they are, you can term them as toy drones. So the battery backup I can see is 15 to 20 minutes, but if you just look at the view, man, just look at the, like, how it will look. It's totally cool. And if you just go for a front view, it totally looks cool, yaar, bahut zabardast, seriously too good. And if I switch it on, it will blink an LED here, and all the things, like this is the aerial view which the box has printed with. And if you go for the back view, it looks like this. The orange battery makes the look more graceful, if you want to say this. Okay, so I love this drone, I love this, man. If you want to just look at the, like, look at the remote control, here's the remote control. So if you want to switch it on, just go here. Okay, that's like secret button here. You have seen the in the videos now, like I say, boom, yeah, here is the secret button to switch it on. Place the battery here. If you just go for like this, and here, so totally simple, just close it. And same goes for this too, up, down. If you want to like totally fly off, up, down. Normally, just if you want to like rotate the propellers or here, just slowly, slightly, and it will start. So GPS control and locking, everything is there. So for direction control, joystick manual is also there. So the remote is handy if you compare with the 38 LED style remotes. You can see the difference. 2 or 2.5 remotes can easily come in this remote. So I love both the drones have their own like 360 views. There many features are differentiated. The looks are totally different, but both the drones, I seriously love this, guy. Both the drones have a unique style, unique look. If you want to buy any drone, both are available here. So let's do the video quality of this drone also. And both you can just compare and buy any. If you want to buy both are available also. But you can see, bhai, look totally good. So let's just wrap up this video. I have shown you the majorly parts. Just forgot to like show you when we go outside and see the how it looking when it's fly. So yes, we are here back in the shop. Both the drones you have seen while flying, how they look, while in the camera, how the quality looks. So I am totally like in love with these drones. If you want to buy any of them, www.acetechstore.in, from there you can buy it. We don't offer full cash on delivery. Partial payment is there. If you want a cash on delivery, 300 paid, you have to pay upfront. Rest is cash on delivery. Okay, we ship all over the world, but for all over the world deliveries, you have to prepay all the payment, not cash on delivery. Wrap this video up, and there are more models available also. If you want to check out the budget friendly models, www.acetechstore.in, or the number is there below. You can come on WhatsApp and I will show you the drones, or any, if you have doubt, you can just call me at. Okay, just wrap this video up and we'll meet you in next one.